Welcome back, viewers, for the third race of the day. That's MRF MMSC FMSC Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship stock up to 165 girls category race 1. So that's the grid position for us. On P1 is Anne Jennifer and P2 Lalni Zena Fernandez from Gusto Racing. On P3 is Alisha Abdullah from Sparks Racing, and on P3 is Jagruti from, and on P4 is Arpita Bhatt from Gusto Racing, and on P6 is Rakshita Dev from Gusto Racing, and on Team 7 it's Navita Jessica, and on P8 is Jagruti Shri from Gusto Racing, and on P9 is Deepika Reddy again from Gusto Racing, and on P10 it's Zinga from Gusto Racing. Again, this is a category which is where the riders have come from all across the country. We have from Chennai, Pondicherry, Kalyan, Mangalore, Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Kerala, all across the country. And there's the race 3 of the day. Race 3 of the day, stock up to 165cc girls category. And on P1 is current national champion Anne Jennifer defending her championship. And that's the race start. And that's a poor start for P2. The race leader is Anne Jennifer, followed by Alisha Abdullah, and on third is Jagruti. Lani Zena moved to fourth. She had a very bad start there. And on the fifth is Arpita Bhatt. The riders are now moving towards turn 2. Anne Jennifer leading there, followed by Alisha Abdullah. And on third is competition number 18, Jagruti Kiran. That's a red flag. There's a red flag. Not sure the reason for, but all the riders are safe, so must be another reason. Not sure why it is. It's a red flag. The riders are going to come back. There's a red flag situation. We're not sure why the race has been red flagged. Technically, riders have to now come into the pit entry. Once it's red flag, all the riders have to slow down, and there's no speeding. They need to slow down and come into the pits. The reason for red flag as soon as we get to know. Right now it's a red flag, and it would be a fresh start for the race. We'll keep you informed if there is any change in number of laps. That's the team Gusto Racing on your screen. You can see all the pit crew and the team members there, eagerly waiting for the riders. The riders are back on the grid. Okay. The riders have come and lined up at the grid. The riders are now lining up at the grid for a restart. It was originally a 5-lap race. We will see if there is going to be any change as the marshals take the board. It's going to be a 5-lap race. It will continue to be a 5-lap race, and the race would start in 1 minute. The race will start in 1 minute. It's a 5-lap race. All the riders are positioned on the grid. There's a 30-second board shown at the starter's box, a 5-second board. The lights would come on. Yep, the lights are on. And it's a race start. And it's a race start and a good start by all riders. And Anne Jennifer leads as they move towards turn 1. And followed by Alisha Abdullah there. Anne Jennifer leads. And Lani Zena moves into the second position. And on third position is Alisha Abdullah as the riders move to turn 2. Anne Jennifer takes a comfortable lead, followed by Lani Zena, and on the third position is Alisha. Viewers, just observe that in the first lap that Anne Jennifer has already taken at least a 10 bike length lead, followed by Lani Zena and Alisha Abdullah. If you look at yesterday's qualifying session also, Anne Jennifer was on the pole position with a difference of 4.5 seconds from the next competitor there. So keeping the same timing, if you look at, she would be consolidating by the end of 5 laps. She'll at least be 20 seconds with a lead of at least 15 to 20 seconds. That's Anne Jennifer leading the race, followed by Lani Zena, and on third place is Alisha Abdullah from Sparks Racing. That's Anne Jennifer leading the race from Sparks Racing, and on P2 is Lani Zena from Gusto Racing, and on P3 is Alisha Abdullah for Sparks Racing. And on P4 is Arpita Bhatt of Gusto Racing. The riders on lap 1, and the race leader is moving towards the bridge corner. That's Anne Jennifer, followed by Lani Zena and Alisha Abdullah in third position. Alisha Abdullah closing in onto Zena Fernandez, and the leader is on the bridge now, getting down the bridge. Will be on the home straight anytime soon now. That's Anne Jennifer crossing the start line, followed by Lani Zena Fernandez, and on the third position is Alisha Abdullah, and on fourth place is Nivita Jessica has moved up to fourth place, and Arpita has moved to fifth place. So it's Jagriti Kiran at sixth and Rakshita Dev at P7. That's Anne Jennifer from Sparks Racing on your screen there, taking a comfortable lead. She in the first lap she had close to 3 seconds lead, and she is consolidated furthermore. And there's Alisha Abdullah on P3 closing in on Lani Zena. On bike number 97 is Lani Zena from Gusto Racing, and on P3 is Alisha Abdullah. Bike number 99 from Sparks Racing. The riders are on the rear side of the track. That's the lap 2 of 5-lap race. The third place is far behind by at least 5 seconds behind. That's Alisha Abdullah trying to make a move on Lani Zena. Has she made it? We'll have to just wait to see at this angle of the camera. No, it's Lani Zena leading, followed by Alisha, and it's going to be a close fight as we move further. Alisha isn't giving it up easily. She's right on the tail of Lani Zena Fernandez there from Gusto Racing. That's the current national champion, Anne Jennifer, leading the race 1. Followed by Lani Zena and Alisha Abdullah in P2 and P3 respectively. And with a gap of 6 seconds is Nivita Jessica in P4. The leaders are now on the bridge complex, and that's Anne Jennifer taking the last corner and coming onto the home straight, followed by 97 Lani Zena Fernandez from Gusto Racing, and on P3 is Alisha Abdullah from Sparks Racing. Those are the 3 leaders of the race, and as mentioned, there's a 6 seconds gap between the third and the fourth, and on fourth position is Nivedita Jessica, and followed by Jagrati Kiran, and on 6th is Arpita Bhatt. And 7th place is held by Rakshita Dev, and on 8th place is Jagati Shri. Jagati Shri, sorry, my mistake, is Jagati Shri. And on P9 it's Renuka, and P10 is Zinga, and P11 is Simki, and P12 is Deepika Reddy. And Jennifer leading the race. She is 6 seconds ahead of the rest of the bunch. Lani Zena behind at P2. There's a 6 seconds gap between Anne Jennifer and Lani Zena, and a very close fight between Lani Zena and Alisha Abdullah with less than a second gap between both of them. 3 laps to go. There's the third lap. We can see on the screen Alisha Abdullah closing in onto Lani Zena Fernandez, and Alisha goes wide. No, she's still in P3. Lani Zena comfortable on P2. Not actually comfortable. She is being tailed by Alisha, and Alisha tries to make a move. No, not a good one. That's Alisha right on the tail of Lani Zena. Maybe it's a strategy for her to hold on to the last lap. Not very sure. But meanwhile, Anne Jennifer consolidates her lead furthermore. That's Lani Zena on P2 and Alisha on P3. There's going to be, I predict, a close battle by the last lap for the second and the third position. Alisha isn't giving up so easily. She's right there on the tail of Lani Zena. And on P4 is Nivedita Jessica. So Alisha slipstreaming there, and she did make a move, looks like. No, they are side by side as they move on to the turn 1. Yes, Alisha tries to make a move. No, it was Lani Zena's move. She was faster there, and she did make a hold on to her position. At P2, at turn 2, Alisha has made a move through inside, and Alisha is now on P2. As we move towards P3, yes, Alisha is leading, and Lani Zena is right side by side. It's a close battle there. Both the riders are side by side, and currently Alisha Abdullah leading there. Alisha Abdullah trying to make a lead as the riders move towards turn 4. The race is led by Anne Jennifer. Yes, Alisha went wide, and Lani Zena used the opportunity and through the inside corner moved into turn 4, made a move at turn 4, and she is now at second position. And on third place is Alisha. Lani Zena Fernandez has taken her place back. That's a close battle for the second and the third position. The rest of the batch, there seems to be no change there, and it's still a close battle there. And that's Anne Jennifer on your screen leading the race by 10 seconds. She's leading by close to 10 seconds. That's the race leader, Anne Jennifer. That's a fight for second and the third place between Lani Zena Fernandez and Alisha Abdullah. The leader is now entering into the last lap as she crossed the start-finish line. The last lap has begun. Anne Jennifer there leading the race, followed by Lani Zena Fernandez and Alisha Abdullah. This is the last lap. Will there be a change in position by the time the leaders come back to the start? We'll have to wait and see there. Alisha and Lani moving side by side at turn 1, and that's Lani Fernandez leading in P2 and followed by Alisha Abdullah in P3. She's right there on the tail, so it could be anyone's game. We'll have to see. This is the last lap of the race. That's Anne Jennifer with a lead of 13.1 seconds at the start finish. On your screen is the battle for the second and the third place between Alisha Abdullah and Lani Zena Fernandez of Gusto Racing. The riders are now moving towards turn 4. Lalin Zana on the inside leading the race, leading the pack, followed by Alisha Abdullah in P3. Last lap of the race. There hasn't been much change in the other finishing orders of the lap 4. Right. A very close battle for the second and the third position between Lalizana Fernandez and Alisha Abdullah there. The riders are now moving to the fast right hand corner. Alisha there side by side. No, Lani Fernandez was faster there. She still holds on to her second position. Alisha isn't giving up. She is right there on the tail, trying to move for the second position. Remember, viewers, there are 2 races for the girls this weekend. That's Alisha trying to make a inside move, but couldn't. Lalizana there leading the riders. That's a checkered flag for the race leader, Anne Jennifer. Anne Jennifer wins the race, followed by now it's between Alisha Abdullah and Lalizana Fernandez. They are coming in very close battle, and as they move to the start line, it's a very close finish, and second place taken by Lalizana Fernandez and followed by Alisha with a gap of 300th of a second. 300th of a second. Very well fought battle between Lalizana Fernandez and Alisha Abdullah. It was a very clean race, and congratulations to Anne Jennifer for winning the race 1. So the finishing order of race 1 as now stands: Anne Jennifer P1, she finished first, followed by Lalizana Fernandez, and on P3 is Alisha Abdullah, and on P4 is Jagriti Kiran, followed by Nivita Jessica, and on 6th place is Arpita Bhatt, and on 7th place is Rakshita Dev, and on 8th place is Jagati Shri. That was a brilliant victory by Anne Jennifer. I predicted a 20-second lead, but still, no, I'm not too far behind. It's a 15.5 seconds lead by Anne Jennifer. Brilliantly fought race between Lalizana Fernandez and Alisha Abdullah. Right, the other riders taking the checkered flag now. Deepika Reddy, followed by Zinga, and followed by Simki, and last on the finishing order is Zinga. That's the end of race 3 for the day, the stock category 165cc girls. Remember, viewers, just like the stock 165cc that was the first race of the day, these are stock bikes. There are no significant modifications here. These are predominantly the street riding bikes that are brought into the track with very minimal modifications for the safety. And this is the starting stage where a person can start joining the motorsports in two-wheeler segment, and this category was for girls. The next race to be followed would be the National MRF, MMSC, FMSC Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship 2020 Pro Stock 301 to 400cc open category. That would be the next race, and that's the race winner, Anne Jennifer at the pit lane, followed by Alisha Abdullah, who finished third. Alisha and Anne Jennifer represent Sparks Racing. Anne Jennifer, he's been riding from the very first series of the ladies category from 2017 onwards, and Alisha has been riding right from her childhood with her dad, Mr. Abdullah, who was also a national championship rider way back, and she used to be coming with her father regularly out here. I would now hand over the mic to the Park Farme there so that they could take the riders' reaction there. Over to you there at the Park Farme.
Yeah, the race was very good. I got a good lead and I just finished the race. I didn't have much of a fight. It was a good one.
I had a good race. I was able to learn a lot, and I thank my family, Speed Demons Motorsports, and SDC Garage for giving me an amazing bike. And I also like to thank my sponsors, Printry, Leroc, NHK, and Arwani. It was a good race. Thank you. Yeah, it was really good. It was a very good fight with the second positions, and it was really good. Just that I coming straight from car racing to bike racing back to back was a little hard for me to manage, but many races to go. But it was a really good fight with the girls.